Guys, this is my Bose home speaker 500 and it has been showing this white line which goes from left to right. It's been like this for 2 days. I googled something and it said it's some kind of a software update, but it's been more than 2 days and it just keeps going like this. It's been plugged in and I haven't touched it. I tried to attach the Bose Music app and that did not work either. So let's see how to fix this if you're also getting it. I don't know how to fix it right now. I'm going to search up some articles and see how to fix this. Stay tuned. So the first thing I want to try doing is probably trying to factory reset the home speaker. I believe it is aux and the minus button, volume minus button together. So I'm going to hold it down for a few seconds and see if something happens. This is the way you factory reset it apparently. I've never done this before, so I'm hoping it works. I don't know if it's doing anything. I've switched it off now. I'm going to switch it back on and it's still going on, updating. I've held the volume down and the aux key, as I've heard that's how you reset this. But at this point I can't even engage with this. So let me be patient and see what happens. Honestly, it's quite a frustrating experience when you buy such an expensive device and it takes 2 days to update. I have a 100 Mbps connection, so there's no excuse for this happening. It doesn't seem to be doing anything. Let me confirm if this is the one to be done. So guys, the factory reset is not working. So what I have done is I have restarted my Wi-Fi modem. And I'm hopeful it will solve it and I don't have to take it to Bose to fix, because this is out of warranty now, so I don't know how that works.